Welcome to Hofstra University's Anatomy and Physiology Lab, serving the School of Health Sciences. Located in Hagedorn Hall, the lab features 5 Anatomage Tables, which is the most technologically advanced 3D anatomy visualization and virtual dissection tool. 4 are available as operating tables accompanied by display screens, and there is a wall-mounted unit to service in-class lessons. The highly advanced technology provides an unprecedented level of real, accurate anatomy, dissectable in 3D. It's a fully interactive, life-size touchscreen allowing students to interact with human anatomy in unprecedented ways. More than 2,900 anatomical structures are segmented from photographic images, and hundreds of virtual cadavers are available with different ages, genders, health conditions, and more. This technology helps train the next generation of healthcare workers to deliver the best care possible for their patients. It provides critical, hands-on experience that students can take directly into their work and communities where they will serve. The Anatomy Lab is an interdisciplinary space that is open to all undergraduate and graduate students as well as faculty. It serves undergraduate classes Anatomy and Physiology 1 and 2. Schedule an in-person visit at hofstra.edu/visit.